Hi guys, come on in. Welcome back to Cricut Creations with Charlease. It's been a minute, I know, but I haven't really been making anything new. And what I'm doing today is really not new, but I just thought I would come on and share. I have a friend that has a birthday coming, and I just want to do something for her. It's something small, but nonetheless, I think she'll enjoy it. Now, I made this, what did they call them? Koozie for myself. On one side it says Fabulous, and on the other side it says Fit. And I'm going to make something similar for her. Now she loves butterflies. So I'm going to do this pink cozy with a butterfly and her name on the other side. I'm going to use my favorite holographic sparkle iron-on. Yeah. I just went out and bought another one of these. I really, really enjoy the effect of this one. And I think that's going to be real pretty and girly on there. And the butterfly will look pretty. Okay? So, I'm going to use a project that I already have for somebody else's name. And I'm just going to edit it to my friend's name. But I want to show you the butterfly that I'm going to use. So hold on. Okay, guys, I'm going to use this simple butterfly. Okay, and I think it'll be real pretty with this holographic iron-on. Okay, now if you don't have the Cricut subscription, this one, let's see, is 99 cents. I'm sure there's a free butterfly out there, but I just clicked on butterfly and chose one. I have the subscription, so this one is not going to cost me anything extra. All right, so I'm just going to click on add to canvas, and it's added to canvas. Woo! And it's big. Okay, so let's come down here and reduce that to a size that's manageable. Let's see, is one more going to be too? Okay, we're going to do that. And I have another piece that I'm going to add to that, which is going to be her name, okay? I'll be back. Okay, guys, I decided that it would be easier to just add the text to this canvas, okay? Because it looked like if I was going to use the name that I already had, I was going to have to use two different canvases. And there's probably a way to do it on one canvas, but I don't know how. And at this point, I just want to get this done quick. So I'm going to click on text, and there's a text box. Let's see how can we get this to move. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Text. Okay. All right, now we move that over. And I want my text box. I'm going to unlock this, and I'm going to set it at 3 by 3 because I don't want that would work for my cozy. 3 by 3. Now I may adjust this and then I'll lock it. Okay. And then my butterfly also needs to be 3 by 3 for my cozy. So Right now it's at 13 by 11. So we're going to unlock that. And I'm going to make that 3 by 3. And like I said, I may adjust it, you know, to make it look better. But I know those are the maximum. Ooh, let's see. Okay. They do look tiny up here. But 3 by 3 is as big as it should be. Alright, now, for my text, I'm really fond of one called Catchland. Let's see. And I'll type that in. I apologize if the camera's all over the place. C-A-T-C-H. Let's see, is it in there? Yeah, that's it right there. Okay. So, that's the one that we want to use. And hopefully it's there. Yeah, there's Catchland. So, there we go. Alright. So I'm going to go in here and you see, did I not lock that? Oh, I guess it's saying for that particular text that 4 by, this 4.2 by 4.7 is a better fit. But I'm going to type her name in and adjust it to the size that will work for the Koozie, and then I'll be back. Okay, a couple of things I want to show you. Now, one thing is the sizing. Hold on. I ended up doing the butterfly at 3 by 3 and her name 3 by 3, which is going to be a good fit for my Koozie. All right, I measured it, and that's going to give me a little space on either side, okay? But that should be a good fit. And as you can see, I'll need about 4 inches. You see, 4 inches. So I'm going to cut a piece of vinyl that's 4 inches long. And I could go ahead and cut it a piece 4 by 8, but I'm just going to cut it. I'm just going to cut straight across, and it'll be 4 by 12, and then I'll just save the excess. Okay. Let's see. Was there anything else I want to show you? No, I just want to show you the size. They're both going to be 3 by 3, and I'm going to cut a piece of vinyl that's 4 inches long. Okay. I'll be back. All right. I have my vinyl laid down, and you can see that it's 4 inches. All right. But it's a 4 by 12, and the excess I'll just cut off and save. Let's select Make It. It's giving me the option to save it. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in miscellaneous. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. All right, guys. It will not, I don't know if you noticed, but before this save was not green. It was grayed out. And it was because even though I had selected miscellaneous, I had not named it. Okay? So you have to name it in order to save it. Now we can save it, and it says it's saving, and it's saved. Okay. All right, so the project is on the mat, and I'm using HTV. I'm trying to get over here and mirror it, and it is mirrored. And we're going to hit continue. And it's looking for my Cricut machine. It's found it. And I'm using the holographic sparkle iron-on, my favorite. And the blade is already set, so we just need to go over to the machine and load it. See the flashing light, and we are loading it. It's loaded. Now we hit the go button and wait for Cricut to work its magic. We can see our progress. We're done, and now we can just unload the mat. Alright guys, I messed up, and I've done this before. And Design Space, it tells you what to do. It says make sure mirror is turned on, which I did, and the iron-on material is shiny side down, and I did not do that. So I got to cut another piece and cut it again. That's very important, guys. Shiny side has to be down. Ugh. Well, I'll let you see. Okay, crafters. I got it shiny side down, and I've gone ahead and done the cut. Now, I have excess. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to cut it down, and I'll save that piece, okay? And then I'll go ahead and weed it, and I'll be back. All right, crafters, I got it weeded. She is going to love this. And you see, her name is Linda, but it's spelled with the Y instead of an I. So you can hardly ever just find something on the rack that has her name spelled like this. And I have one of those names too that you can't find. And it's always so special when you receive something that's got your name spelled the way you know your name is actually spelled. So I'm going to separate the butterfly from the name, and I'm going to put the butterfly on one side and the name on the other. All right. Yeah, she's going to love this. Okay, guys, I'm going to get this lined up on the Koozie. Yes, that's going to be really pretty. And I'm going to be using my little mini press. It's not one of the Cricut products, but it works. And we're using, let's see, this is neoprene, and we're using the holographic sparkle. See that? Holographic sparkle. So it says 280 for 20 seconds, which I don't have a timer or anything on this, but it'll work. And once I get it lined up, I'm going to use my Teflon cover to make sure I don't burn anything, and I'll be back. All right, crafters, here's the finished product. And there's a couple of other little things that I'm going to put in her package. Her birthday card with butterflies, of course. And then there's this little notepad. It's a list pad and a notepad. Butterflies again. Yeah. And her name. She is gonna love it. Alright, guys. That's all I have for you today. And use your Cricut machine. That's why I'm doing so much stumbling, because I'm not using it enough. Alright, guys. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.